Yesterday, a Marine general told me, if everything is a priority, nothing is a priority. And I think that's absolutely true. And we've got a real problem in this country. The problem is a deficit that has continued to be there year after year after year. The problem is not tax revenues. Tax revenues for fiscal year 2013 are anticipated to be the highest they have ever been in the history of the country. The problem is Congress has not found a way to come to an agreement on how to cut spending. Today, I'm introducing the 1% Spending Reduction Act of 2013, otherwise known as the 1 cent solution. This idea originated from a Georgian who was taking a look at the budget and had some ideas about how we could balance it. Representative Connie Mack introduced it last year, and I was happy to co-sponsor it. Senator Enzai has introduced a companion bill in the Senate, and I have introduced this bill in the House of Representatives. What does it do? It simply cuts 1% from every agency in every year in which the budget isn't balanced. Families and businesses have done that. Churches have done that. Almost every American has made those simple 1% cuts in their budget. Congress can do it too. This bill will balance the budget by 2016. It takes care of the next generation of Americans by making sure that we leave them the same American dream that we've had.